Blessed is the man who walks in to Pennywise and comes out spending only $100. But today I consider myself pretty close to being blessed because I spent a little bit over that. Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly K, Nelly B, and once in a while, or rather once, I don't know, every 4 to 5 months or so, your girl does end up in Pennywise. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I went to Pennywise, went crazy over how many local brands that there were in the hair care section. I will tag that TikTok, you'll go ahead and check that out. But today I just wanted to share my very mini haul. My very mini haul. Your girl had a list and she kind of stuck to it, but still managed to come out on the cheap end. So the first thing I bought was nail polish remover because I've been using acetone to take off my nail polish, and I mean that's really strong. So I said, you know, let me just get a bottle of remover. This is the Classic Care nail remover. Do y'all have a specific brand of nail polish remover that you guys use? Let me know now, because I have not bought nail polish remover in so long. Like I only recently started back painting my toenails. So if y'all have a brand, like the brand that you swear by in terms of nail polish remover, let me know. This nail polish remover was $14.95. Next up on the Pennywise lineup is this Himalaya toothpaste that I love. There are a few of them that I absolutely enjoy. I mean, it's toothpaste, gets your mouth clean, but really like these. And this one was $16.95. Now there is another one from Himalaya that my husband and I used to use, and we really do like it too, but it is like twice the price of this. So for now we sticking with this one. Now this wasn't on the list, but I saw it and I was curious. So it is the Natural Fragancia, yes, not Spanish, gel beads in the scent Clean Linen, and it has like, you know, those beads that you use in like decorations and stuff like that. So I have to like open it or take out something from underneath and put it in the bathroom. Given that I paid $9.95 for it, one can only hope that that is actually effective for keeping the bathroom fresh. So I needed to get back some hair gel. Admittedly, I don't use styling gel as much, but I did like the original Wetline Extreme, which is the clear one. I didn't see the clear one when I was there, but I did see this one, which is, I think it says with aloe vera, and this one was hold on, you see I'm reading this thing without my glasses on, so I was struggling here to find there we go, $10.95 for this jar. So this was the most expensive item on the list. So I do my brows at home like 80% of the time, maybe once or twice for the year I get them professionally done. So I saw this pack. This is the Kiss New York Shape and Trim Brow Multi Shaper. So you get 2 in 2 different sizes, which I think is pretty cool. That's actually kind of why I picked it up. And this is the most expensive thing that I picked up. This was $24.95. Also, I had to stock up on cotton balls. I really like this brand of like cotton stuff, Swispa's premium products. So they have their triple size cotton balls, and this pack was $19.95. And then last but not least, so you know how like when you're about to cash, Pennywise has all these different like bins and shelves of stuff right by the cashier with things. So this caught my eye, and I bought not one but 2 of them. This is the Rice Up Popped Brown Rice Chips, and the flavor is Gorgonzola and Caramelized Pear. They were $8.95 each, and I bought 2. So in total, my bill was $115.60, which is by far, I think, the cheapest Pennywise haul I've ever had or ever done, at least within recent years. And I feel pretty proud of myself. And at the same time, I want to kick myself because had I not picked up those 2 rice chips, I'd have been under $100. Someone asked me a while back, why am I so hell-bent on keeping my Pennywise haul so cheap? And I was like, mainly because of the fact that many of us go into Pennywise to get like 1 or 2 things and then end up with like 10 or 12 things. And for me, I think it's just a matter of trying to keep the discipline of going in for what I need and coming out with just what I need and nothing more. Did I do that today? No, because I picked up things that weren't on my list. However, still trying to keep it budget friendly, so at least there's a win for that. And that's it for my Pennywise haul. What have y'all been buying in Pennywise these days? Because to be fair, to be honest, a lot of the things that you guys may buy in Pennywise, I don't particularly buy in Pennywise. So what new have you guys tried that y'all found in Pennywise? Drop a comment, let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.